Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of Element Hotel near Denver International Airport. Part of the reason why I want to show you this hotel is because it has a self-serve laundry room, of which not that many hotels have that. But first, let's go check out the room. All right, here's the room. Quite large inside. Let me turn on the lights. Here's the kitchen with stovetop, coffee machine, microwave, this dish soap, all the clean utensils, bagel machine, toaster, dishwasher, trash cans, oh, cookware, yeah, it's pretty cool. Here all the cups, bowls, utensils, plates. Oh, this is pretty nice. Freezer, refrigerator. Let's check out the bathroom. Standing shower. Oh, this one is really big. And then comes the bedroom. I don't know where to turn on the lights. Alright, here we go. Now this one is large. Well, this room is facing the outside is facing the street. Not much to see here. Closet. Sliding door for more privacy. I haven't looked through this yet, but yeah, this bed can be extended. The sofa can be extended out. There's a bed underneath. It's really cool. And one more TV in the living room. See what this is based. Alright, also the parking lot. That's it. Now let me show you what other amenities this hotel provides. It has a mini store right next to the check-in desk. Also has a drink table by the lobby. Indoor heated pool. A gym. And also self-serve laundry room. If you want to do laundry, it will cost $2 per wash. Anyway, this is the Element by the Denver International Airport. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.